The mutated new variant of coronavirus is termed as Variant Under Investigation December 2020. Scientists have identified 17 specific small changes or mutation in this virus. As it is an RNA virus, it is expected. Till now, more than 4,000 mutations have happened in this virus. However, only a few are significant.
This strain was detected by COVID-19 Genomics Consortium in the UK. They are a group of scientists who have been working in doing genomic study of this virus since April 2020. They detected this virus as part of their routine scientific development. It does not mean that there was an alarming report of increased death rate in the UK, but this just came as a part of a research. What we know is, as of now, the variant is spreading in the UK. According to the British Medical Journal report, almost 20% of the cases, that is COVID-19 cases, are attributed to this new strain.
Mutations usually happen in a virus so that the virus can survive better. So the mutated versions or the variants would spread faster than the previous ones. However, that doesn't mean that it becomes more dangerous. We have currently no evidence that this is more severe or can cause more death. However, it may be likely to be spreading faster than the previous ones.
We can be assured of the fact that the vaccine will still continue to work. During the vaccine development, the scientists have taken a small particle of the virus from the outer surface of the virus and they developed vaccines. These vaccines are known to produce antibodies against COVID-19 virus. We know that there are many mutations and minor changes of this virus, including this new one. It does not make the vaccine's response less effective.
In response to this new strain which is identified in UK, many countries including India have imposed travel restrictions. The airlines have stopped their operations to UK. Also in these many European countries there is total restriction and total lockdown. This is expected because as scientists and public health officials would want to be more overcautious to get more time to understand about this new strain of virus. That does not warrant us to become panicking or think that it is dangerous. First and foremost, do not panic. Do not spread rumors. Always go and check facts. So we know what works even if another 100,000 mutations happen in this COVID-19. The same public health measures, social distancing, wearing face masks and hand hygiene. We have to responsibly adhere to all these so that we can overcome all the challenges which is related to this virus, including this new strain.